So yeah, controlling noise for a bar is super important. We're coming at it from a soundproofing and an acoustics point of view. We need to stop the passage of the live music, the punters, the loud music through the speakers that we're playing. We need to stop that noise going outside. We need to stop it from going upstairs if there's tenants upstairs. We need to stop it going out of the terrace if you've got a terrace. And that is controlling that noise, soundproofing that bar is going to mitigate any complaints that you might get, and licensing coming round and talking to you, which nobody wants to have that visit really. So from a soundproofing perspective, it's kind of obvious. We can install acoustic doors, we can install acoustic glass, we can soundproof walls, ceilings, floors, to make sure that your space is optimal in terms of attenuation of noise. Ultimately, when we do that, we also need to then take care of HVAC, because if we tighten up something up so that it's airtight and put big fat heavy walls and acoustic glass and seal the doors with door seals, drop seals, things like that, we need to make sure that there's still then air coming into the space, so that it's still a nice environment to be in. Controlling the noise within that space is another massive area. If you're a bar or a restaurant, your whole business is based on what the produce you're putting out tastes like, what it looks like, what does the furniture feel like and look like, how does it feel to be in that space, is it comfortable to sit in, what's the plateware look like, what does the food look like. We eat with our eyes, but if you're a business owner, a bar or restaurant owner that is looking for the ultimate reputation, for your bar to really excel and for people to be there, to have the dessert, to have the coffee, to spend those extra pounds, we control the noise within these spaces in bars and restaurants, and we see instantly, they tell us instantly, we never thought we would be taking more revenue on a weekend. We were doing this because people were complaining, saying that it was just too noisy in our restaurant. We didn't think that they were sort of not staying for their full course of dishes. But from the second that you guys have installed this acoustic treatment, we're taking £500-600 or more per weekend, as a result of people wanting to stay, enjoy the space, ordering more drinks, ordering coffees, desserts. They're just there, and they're enjoying and they're spending, and so that it's a two-tone thing. They're getting rid of their negative reviews, especially from people who have hearing aids. If you have a hearing aid and you go into a reverberant space, you're not enjoying yourself. You're not enjoying your family. Your family aren't enjoying you. You're just going to eat your food and get out of there as quick as you can. And a lot of people these days do have hearing aids because of the amount of noise that's in the world, as we get to our sort of later age. So if we don't take care of that, we're kind of cutting off a whole age group population there that it could come and spend money in your bar or restaurant. So it's very, very important to consider this, the noise within a space, within your bar or restaurant space.